What truly builds a nation? Is it more than steel and stone? Is it vision? Is it innovation? And is it the powerful stories behind every single structure, from the ground up to the towering skyline? The Chronicles of Construction brings you the pulse of Nigeria's built environment. Nationwide, we've got Next Gen, shaping tomorrow's talent; Manufacturer Spotlight, revealing industry giants; Digital Built, where technology meets concrete; and Site Scoop, bringing you insights straight from the heart of the action. And dive deep with industry leaders, featuring the titans of design. And for the hottest topics, the deepest dives into the industry challenges and unfiltered conversations, join us on Studio Special, hosted by our insightful experts, and David and Christine Akume. They bring you the toughest questions and the clearest answers on Studio Special. From every corner of Nigeria, our dedicated correspondents deliver stories that matter, challenges captured, and solutions unearthed. We are the Chronicles of Construction. Don't just witness the future, understand it. Subscribe now to our YouTube channel and explore all our segments. The Chronicles of Construction, the art of building, the soul of storytelling. Interested in building the future with us? To discuss tailored sponsorship packages and advertising rates, please reach out to our team today. Call or WhatsApp us on 0901 2173 133.